Honourable Speaker, yesterday was International Wrongful Convictions Day, a time for all of us to take stock of the impact caused by wrongful convictions on individuals, their families, and society. 51 years ago, a miscarriage of justice took place in our province in the conviction of Brian Anderson, Alan Woodhouse, and Clarence Woodhouse for the murder of Ting Fong Chan, all of whom were innocent. Last year, Brian Anderson and Alan Woodhouse were acquitted. This morning, Clarence Woodhouse was also acquitted by Justice Joyal, recognizing that he too was wrongfully convicted in 1973. While nothing can be said that will bring back the years lost of freedom or the time away from family and friends, as the Attorney General of Manitoba, I offer my heartfelt apologies to Mr. Woodhouse and his family. There were many injustices experienced by Mr. Woodhouse, but let me highlight one. Mr. Woodhouse is a Saulteaux speaker, yet the trial was conducted in English without the aid of any interpreters. This was not a fair trial. It exhibited bias against Mr. Woodhouse and his co-accused based on their Indigenous identity. It is the type of trial that has absolutely no place in our province, where every citizen is entitled to equal and fair treatment before the law. Let me acknowledge that there has also been hardship caused by the wrongful conviction to the family of Ting Fong Chan, who have sought justice for their loved one and mourned his passing for 5 decades. What the family was given was not justice at all, but a false justice that robs them of the closure that they deserve. This miscarriage of justice compounds the suffering of the Chan family as well, and as Attorney General, I regret and recognize this hardship. Clarence, the system failed you. It punished you for a crime that you did not commit. And it stole from you the most precious gift of all, your time. An apology cannot bring that back. It cannot undo the profound harm that it has caused. But what it can do, I hope, is provide a measure of peace and comfort to you and to your family. It also reinforces what you knew in your heart all along, that you were right and that the system wronged you. You were innocent. What you knew to be the truth is now recognized by law. It's recognized by our government, and it's recognized by me as Attorney General of Manitoba. Clarence, I am sorry. Our government is sorry. No one should ever have to endure the torments that you were subjected to. Together, I hope we can work together to ensure that no Manitoban ever does. Thank you, Honourable Speaker.